Students, now we are going to learn addition of fractions. Okay, in that there are two types. Case 1, when the denominators are same. Denominators are same, then it is called as like fractions. Okay, like fractions. When like fractions are there, that means when denominators are same, that time we have to add only the numerators. See here, a upon c plus b upon c, that is equal to a plus b upon c. Denominator we have to write as it is. We don't have to add denominator. That it will be remain as it is, and we have to add only numerators. When like fractions are there, means when denominators are same. For example, see here, 3 upon 9 plus 4 upon 9. Okay? Look at both the fractions. Denominators are same. These are like fractions. So what we have to do? We have to add only numerators, and denominator it will remain as it is. That is 9. So what will be the answer? 3 plus 4, 7 upon 9. In this way, when denominators are equal, we have to add only numerators and denominator will remain same. This is first case of addition of fraction. Now in second case, what is there? See, denominators are different. That means unlike fractions. That is a upon c plus b upon d. Look at here, denominators, are they same? No, they are different. So what we have to do? We make the denominator same. We have to make whatever different denominators are there, we have to make them same. And then we have to do the addition. Okay? For example, 2 upon 7 plus 3 upon 9. Okay, see here, 2 upon 7 plus 3 upon 9. Now, if you will take the LCM of 7 and 9, denominators are not same. No? So what we will do? We will take the LCM. LCM is least common multiple. So what is the least common multiple of 7 and 9? Can you take in 7's table? See here, 7 to the 14, 20. Okay, this is 7 and 9. Now this is 9 7. So which is the least common multiple? Common, what is there here? See, 63 and 63. Correct? So when we will get 63, therefore LCM is equal to 63. When do we get 63 as LCM? See, when 7, in 7's table where is 63? 9, at 9 place. So therefore you have to multiply 2 upon 7, this by 9. And this 3 upon 9 we have to multiply by 9. 9 into how much is equal to 63? 7. So 9 7s are, and here also 7. So what you will get? 9 2s are 18 upon 63 plus 7 3s are 21 upon 63. Now look at the denominators. Are they same? So further what we will do? We will add only numerators. 18 plus 21 upon 63. That is 8 plus 1 9, 2 plus 1 3 upon 63. Okay, in this way, when denominators are different, we have to take LCM of the denominators, and with that LCM we have to multiply. Now see, LCM is 63, no? So when we will get 63 here, when you will multiply 7 by 9. So numerator also you will have to multiply by 9. And here 9 into 7, so here also multiply by 7. Then what fractions we will get? 18 upon 63 plus 21 upon 63 is equal to, do addition of numerators only. Denominator will remain same, that is 63. We don't have to add denominator, only numerators, is equal to 39 upon 63. In this way, we have to do addition of fractions. If denominators are same, no problem. We have to directly add the numerators. But if the denominators are different, then what we have to do? We have to take the LCM, then we have to do multiplication, and after that, once we get same denominator, then we have to go for addition of numerators. Okay? We will solve practice 5.11, which is based on addition of fractions. See, find the sum of the following. Sum means addition. So 3 upon 7, 5 upon 7. So how we have to do? 3 upon 7 plus 5 upon 7. We have to do sum, no? That is addition. That is equal to, as numerators are equal. See? So we will have to add only, as denominators are equal, we have to add only numerators. Is equal to 3 plus 5. 8 upon 7. Denominator will remain as it is. Only numerators will get added. Now second. 4 upon 5 and 3 upon 5. So 4 upon 5 plus 3 upon 5 is equal to 4 plus 3. As denominators are same, write it common and add the numerators. 4 plus 3, 7 upon 5. Okay. Next, 3 upon 8 plus 1 upon 8 is equal to 3 plus 1 upon 8 is equal to 4 upon 8. Okay. Next, 7 upon 10. 7 upon 10 plus 5 upon 10 is equal to 7 upon, that is 7 plus 5 upon 10. That is equal to 12 upon 10. Fine. Next. Now see here. This is mixed fraction. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to first convert into improper fraction and then we have to add it. So how to convert into improper fraction? In the previous practice we have learned. What we have to do? See here. Multiply whole number with denominator and add numerator in that. Okay. What we have to do? Multiply whole number with denominator and add numerator. Okay? And denominator will remain as it is. We have to write as it is. Plus, here what we have to do? Same. 1 into 11 plus 3 upon 11. Okay? So, see here. 11 twos are 22 plus 5 upon 11 plus 11 ones are 11 plus 3 upon 11. 22 plus 5, 27 upon 11 plus 11 plus 3, 14 upon 11. Now what we have to do? As denominators are equal, we will have to add only the numerators. So that is equal to 27 plus 14 is 41 upon 11. In this way, we have to solve. When mixed fraction is there, convert it into improper fraction. How to convert? See here. Whole part multiply with denominator and add numerator in that. Okay. Then denominator write as it is. That denominator you don't have to change. Plus here also same thing. Okay. Then here do multiplication. Add numerator. You will get 27 upon 11 plus 14 upon 11. Now see. Now is it easy to add? Because as denominators are same, add only numerators. And then you will get the final answer. Followed? Now question number 2. Find the sum of the following. 3 upon 7, 3 upon 8. Look at here. Denominators are different. They are not like fractions. Got it? So what we have to do in that case? We have to make the denominators equal. How to make that equal? What did I say? We have to take LCM. Okay. So first here 3 upon 7 plus 3 upon 8. Got it? Then what we will do? What is the LCM of 7 upon 8? Which number? It comes in 7's table also and in 8's table also. Yes, that is 7 8s are 56, 8 7s are 56. So this we have to multiply by 8 to get 56. See, LCM of 7 and 8 is 56. LCM how to find out? You are knowing, dear students, how to find out LCM? By write the table. From that also you can find out, or I have said showed you the method. In that also way of division method, prime factorization method, with that also we can find out. Got it? So LCM of 7 and 8 is 56. Then what we have to do? We have to multiply 3 upon 7 by 8 to get denominator 56, and this fraction we have to multiply by 7. Okay. So what will be the 8 3s are 24 upon 56 plus 7 3s are 21 upon 56. Now look at the denominators. Are they same? So what we will do? Add only numerators. Okay. Denominator write common as it is. So what is the answer? 45 upon 56. In this way we have to solve. Okay. Followed? In this way we have to solve the sum. What we did first? Find out the LCM of both the numbers given. LCM means which number comes in both tables, that you have to find out. First, which number comes first in both the tables. So here 56 was coming. So that number we have taken as LCM. And to get that number, what we have to do? We have to multiply 3 upon 7 by 8. Because if 7 8s are 56. So 3 also multiply by 8. And this also we have to multiply by 7. Then same whatever we are doing for addition. Okay? Same method. Now see here 4 upon 5, 3 upon 4. Now what will be the LCM of 5 and 4? In 4's table and 5 table. Which number comes first? 4 5s are 20, 5 4s are 20. Correct? So LCM we have to write first in this way. Better. See, I will write it 4 upon 5. Okay. Now is equal to 4 upon 5 plus 3 upon 4. LCM of 5 and 4. How much is it? 20. Correct? Therefore is equal to 4 upon 5 we have to multiply by 4. Because 5 4s are 20. So 4 4s are plus this fraction we have to multiply by 5. Okay. So what you will get? 4 4s are 16 upon 20 plus 3 5s are 15 upon 20. Now next step, add only numerators, that is 16 plus 15 upon denominator will be same. 16 plus 15 is 31 upon 20. Got it? In this way we have to add. Now next, here 3 upon 7, 1 upon 8. Now students, 3 upon 7 plus 1 upon 8. First we have to write addition sign. Now what will be the LCM of 7 and 8? Which number comes first in both the table? That is 56. So write down LCM of 7 and 8 is 56. Therefore 3 upon 7 we have to multiply it by 8. Okay? Understood why we have to multiply this by 8? Because 7 8s are 56. So multiply both by 8 plus multiply by 7 because 8 7 are 56. Then 8 3 are 24 upon 56 plus 7 1 is 7 upon 56. Now look at here, denominators are same, so we have to add only numerators. That is 31 upon 56. Okay, in this way we have to solve. Now here see, here mixed fraction is given. So our first work is to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. See here. What? 1 and 7 upon 10 plus 2 and 5 upon 8. So what to do first? First we will convert it into improper fraction. Now again how to convert it? See here. 1 we have to multiply whole part with numerator, denominator plus add numerator upon 10 plus 2 into 8. See, 2 into 8 plus 5 upon 8. Then 10 ones are 10 plus 7 upon 10 plus 8 twos are 16 plus 5 upon 8. Now 10 plus 7 how much? 17 upon 10 plus 16 plus 5 21 upon 8. Now these are improper fraction. Sorry, yes, they are improper fraction, but see, denominators are also different. So what we have to do? We have to take the LCM. Now I will write here same. Okay, same sum I will solve here. See, 17 upon 20, 17 upon 10 plus 21 upon 8. So what is the LCM of 10 and 8? Now which number comes first in 10s and 8s table together? See, 10 4s are 40, 8 5s are 40. So LCM of 10 and 8 is 40. Then 17 and upon 10. To get 40 we have to multiply 10 by 4. So you will have to multiply 17 also by 4 plus 21 upon 8. So 8 to get 40 multiply 8 5s are and here also. Okay. Now 17 4s are 68. 10 4s are 40 plus 21 5s are 105 upon 40. Now add only numerators because denominators are equal. So what is the answer? 173 upon 40 in this way. Okay. See what here as mixed fractions were there, we converted into first improper fraction and then find out LCM. Then the next process is same. Okay. Now see, this is the last sum of practice 5.11. Okay. So again here what is there? Mixed fraction is there. So let us first write it into the form of addition. Plus we have to do sum. So instead of comma put addition sign 2 and 3 upon 7. Then what is the next step? We have to convert it into improper fraction. How to convert? See. Whole part multiply by denominator plus add numerator upon 8 plus 2 into 7 plus 3 upon 7. Now 8 ones are 8 plus 1 upon 8 plus 2 sevens are 14 plus 3 upon 7. 8 plus 1 9 upon 8 plus 14 plus 3 17 upon 7. Got it? Now see, they are unlike fractions. Denominators are not same. So find out LCM. Now in 8's table and 7th table, which number comes first? 56. Common number is 56. So LCM of 8 and 7 is 56. Correct? Therefore, what we have to do? 9 upon 8 we have to multiply by 7 and 17 upon 7 we have to multiply this 17 8s are how much? For that we require table. So 17 8s are how much? 136 upon 56. Okay, 17 8s are 136 and 7 8s are 56. That is 6 plus 3 9, 6 plus 3 9, 1 upon 56. Sorry, this step. Now as denominators are equal, we have to add only numerators. Denominators write common.